Subcompact SUVs feed a hunger for space, affordability, and a certain sense of belonging, since almost everyone drives an SUV these days. Among 20 other competitors, the Volkswagen Taos quenches an additional, more recent consumer craving for parsimonious fuel economy. Available in front or all-wheel drive, every Taos hums along, getting exemplary real-world fuel mileage thanks to a stingy, 158 horsepower, 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. The Taos doesn't offer a hitch to tow with, so we'd suggest moving up to the larger Tiguan SUV for that, but there's plenty of cargo space inside, even with the rear seats in use, to easily handle grocery duty. It's a close fight among the best in this class, so the Tiguan's low starting price and capacious cockpit make it a tempting choice among others such as the Kia Seltos and Chevrolet Trailblazer. Beating its EPA estimate by 4 miles per gallon, an all-wheel drive Taos SEL we tested managed an awesome 40 miles per gallon during our 200-mile, 75 miles per hour highway fuel economy test loop. Copious amounts of interior plastic help keep the Taos price down while making the more richly appointed Mazda CX-30 cabin feel like a miniature luxury condo in comparison with the VW. VW's smallest crossover doesn't undergo much change for 2023, but it does receive a few equipment enhancements. Volkswagen adds driver assistance features such as forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking and pedestrian monitoring, blind spot monitor, and rear traffic alert as standard equipment across all trims. The base S gets 18-inch wheels, instead of 17 inches, on all-wheel drive models. Lastly, SEL now get a fancy panoramic sunroof as standard equipment. We recommend the mid-level SA model because it provides the best value. It comes standard with 18-inch wheels, blind spot monitoring, heated front seats, remote start, and wireless charging. We'd add all-wheel drive for an extra $1,450, largely because it replaces the front drive model's rear suspension with a more sophisticated, independent unit. We'd also opt for the IQ Drive and SA convenience packages that add adaptive cruise control, automatic high beams, a heated steering wheel, lane keeping assist, and rain-sensing windshield wipers. The Taos is powered by VW's new turbocharged 1.5-liter 4-cylinder engine. It makes 158 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque. Front-drive versions feature an 8-speed automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive models have a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic. The front-drive and all-wheel drive Taos also have different rear suspensions, with the former using a torsion beam setup and the latter using a more sophisticated multi-link design. During our testing, the acceleration difference between the two different drivetrains was negligible, with the front-wheel drive Taos beating the 4Motion to 60 miles per hour by only a tenth of a second. A set of 17-inch wheels are standard, but 18 and 19 inches are also available. We appreciated the engine's low-speed thrust, the 8-speed automatic's unobtrusive operation, and the suspension's composure on even roads during our time with one.